I'm tired of playing this, but after 15 hours it finally paid off because I got to level 10. I'm done. Now I'm going to listen to the radio a little. I wonder what's on today. I love that song. Let's see what's going on in the world though. Let's see here. Okay.
A crazy madman has escaped from prison today. He is said to be armed and dangerous, so please be watching out for him.
Wow. Well, there isn't much else to do. I guess I could play my DS Lite. Oh, I could watch Monty Python on Allegro. That's a classic. That's always funny. But whatever I do, I should take necessary precautions. Well, for starters, I think I should shut that window right there that anyone armed and dangerous could just come through. Glad I thought of that. That was a close one. Dang it! Before I can do all that fun stuff, I have to read October Sky for English class. October Sky is such a sweet book. Okay, I think that's enough reading for now. I think I'll play my DS. Yeah, pretty. That's just too big of a coincidence. Something isn't right. Oh, I'm gonna go lock the door. Well, I guess I do have a road tuning idea. Let's watch a nice, quiet, safe movie. I think you get me there. Finally get to that movie. Someone's in my house. Yeah, okay, I'm kind of hungry. Thanks.